In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write code with Claude AI. Let's get started by logging into Claude AI. Open your browser, head to the Claude site, and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see the main workspace. Logging in ensures your chats are saved and that Claude can keep context as you work through your coding tasks. Next, open a new chat. A fresh conversation gives Claude a clean slate, which helps it focus on the exact problem you're about to describe without carrying over previous context. You should now see an empty message box where you'll type your request. Now comes the most important part, clearly describing the coding task. Start by specifying the programming language so Claude knows what syntax and conventions to use. If version matters, mention it, like Python 3.10 or Node.js 18. Then say whether you want a full program, a single function, or just a short snippet. This helps scope the response and saves time. Be explicit about the problem you're solving. Outline the inputs and expected outputs, any constraints or edge cases, and the environment you'll run the code in. If you have preferences, such as avoiding external libraries, using a specific framework, or following a certain style, spell those out. You can also include sample data or a quick test case to anchor the solution. For instance, you might write, in Python, write a function that parses a CSV string into a list of dictionaries, assumes the first row is headers, handles quoted fields, and returns an empty list on invalid input. Show a short usage example. If you want a full program, say so, and mention how you'd like it structured, such as a main entry point and separate helper functions. If performance or readability is a priority, include that guidance. And if you need comments, doc strings, or brief explanations after the code, ask for them directly. Clarity up front leads to better code on the first try. Once your prompt is ready, send your prompt. Paste or type it into the message box and hit send. Keep your prompt organized with short paragraphs or labeled sections so it's easy to parse. The clearer and more complete your request, the more accurate and useful the generated code will be. That's it. Log in, open a new chat, describe the coding task with language and scope, and send your prompt. Follow this flow and you'll be writing code with Claude AI quickly and effectively.